Hello art friends, it's me, Mrs. Mertz, and I'm doing a request drawing, Toothless Dragon. Get those pencils ready, here we go. So we're gonna put the head here, the wings here, body and tail. So to start with, we are going to start about a hand width in, maybe a little bit more, and we're gonna draw a diagonal line that comes back up like that. So it kind of looks like a V. Then from that diagonal line, we're gonna draw another V on the side of his head, a little line. And then we're gonna draw a bigger V right here with a little line. Then we're gonna draw a great big ear that's gonna be like a letter V with a curvy top on it. Then it's gonna come up, boink, boink, come over, boink, boink. And then we're gonna draw a line around and down, just like that. And then we've got another ear here, like that. And then we have another little, whatever these are on Toothless, I don't know. And then about where this is right here, we're gonna draw a little line coming up, and a little line coming up like that. And we're gonna draw a little half circle in the middle and a little circle in there. Then we're gonna come over here and draw a little sloped line and some little nostrils, which are just diagonal lines with a little bump on them. Then we're gonna come over here and draw another line, and this eye is going to be bigger than this eye. Then it's going to come back, and then we're going to have a circle in there, make another little circle, and I'm going to leave a little white spot. There we go. All right, then we've got some little scaly things on Toothless, little upside down V's, and then comes the body. So we're going to start right underneath this little piece right here, and we're gonna come down like an S, like that. All right, then we're gonna come over here under his nostril, and it's gonna come down. We're gonna draw his bottom, and it's gonna come back up. So it kind of looks like a number 6 that doesn't quite meet. Then we're gonna draw a line coming up for the inside of his leg. And then he's got like a little foot here with some little dragony things there. And then he's got a little foot over here with some little dragony toes here. Then comes the wing. So the wing is gonna come out about where his little chin comes down. It's gonna come out like a U. We're gonna put a little claw there. Then it's gonna come over like that. Then we're gonna draw 4 lines coming out from the claw. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're gonna put some letter U's in there, or like upside down U's, or some N's, however you want to see it. Just like that. All right, and there is one wing. Okay, now we're gonna draw the other wing over here, and it's a little bit smaller because it's like kind of going back into space. So we're gonna start across from this wing. We're gonna draw a little line up, just a little bitty claw there. And then we're gonna draw a line coming across. And then we're gonna put 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna draw some ends. 1, 2, 3, and then this one comes up. And then, oh gosh, before we finish that up, we need to put the claw or the little paw in. So it's gonna come down and come back up, and then this touches that like that. Then we've got his little thumb. Do dragons have thumbs? And some little U's right here. And then we've got another little arm here that's like a big letter U. And some little fingers. There we go. What are we missing? Oh yes, the tail. All right, so the tail's gonna start down here by the foot, and it's just gonna come out and back up and around like that. What's that look like? Maybe kind of like an E, but the E doesn't quite make it back. All right, then we're gonna come take this back around to here, and then we're gonna draw some lines coming like this. There we go. And we're gonna make these be that kind of slopey kind of thing. And then we've got a few little scales back here. Put them coming up his back. And then he's got like kind of like some little flaps back here, I guess, to control his flying. Okay. There we go. And then he's got some little dragony scales over here and over here. There we go. Let's kind of thicken this line up here. Maybe draw a little thicker line back here. Oh my gosh, he looks so cute. Oh, let's see. I think that's pretty good. Checking around, we might be able to kind of thicken this up here. Because you know ears, they always have kind of a thicker line. I think that looks pretty good. Maybe put some double lines here. Do a little shading with cross hatching. There we go. I think he looks pretty good. Maybe another little line here. Another line there. Yeah, I think that does it. Okay, hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania and be a maniac. Thanks for watching.